Welcome to the project demonstration of ESP32 camera control bump diffusion robots. So here we are using ESP32 camera to control the robot movement in forward, backward, left, right motion, as well as for the gripper mechanism controlling to the cutting of the wire means bump diffusion, and this can be going with the up and down with help of this gearbox mechanism. So these two systems consist of the cutter mechanism as well as gearbox mechanism consist of spur gear and worm gear mechanisms, and that system getting input from this PIC microcontroller as a PIC microcontroller working as a mediator between the ESP32 camera. So the data is from the ESP32 camera is sent to this PIC microcontroller as a serial communication. So ESP32 camera getting signals from the browsers. From the browser we can get the visuals along with forward, backward. There are the visuals, I'll show you that. So forward, backward, left, right, and light on, light off for the headlights, up down for the cutter up down movement, open close for the cutter open close movements. So this data will be sent to the microcontroller PIC16F72 microcontroller through the serial communication. The serial data will be decoded in embedded C language, and from there we are going to control the DC motors, 4 DC motors, 2 DC motors for the robot movements and 2 DC motors for this gearbox as well as a cutter. So this interfaces to the microcontroller again through the driver of L293D. So this one L293D motor driver and this is the one more L293D motor driver. This is two used to control the 4 DC motors directly. The whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 2 amp battery pack. Each battery pack consists of sub batteries of 12 volt 1 amp. These two are in series, and in that each sub battery pack consists of 3 4 volt 1 amp batteries in series. So we will get 12 volt 1 amp, and these two are in parallel. So we will get 12 volts 2 amp DC output. So this is a main on off switch. So before on the kit we need to set up some settings in our mobile phone, and before the demonstration of main step is we need to keep the battery under full charge. So as we are using the rechargeable battery, so this is a charger we are providing for charging of this battery. Just connect that at this B slot and on the power supply to this power cable is 230 volts input. So it will get fully charged in a duration of 6 hours minimum, 8 hours maximum. So we need to keep this for full charge in a duration of 8 hours, means the whole night you can keep this charging. And this charging circuits can protect the battery from overcharging, as it has a diodes to protect that battery set from overcharging. So once the battery is under fully charged, next go to hotspot settings, change the hotspot name to project 5982, configure that all are small letters without any space, password 129, and band should be 2.4 gigahertz. Enable the hotspots, right? And now you can on the kit. When you on the kit, there you can see the one device is connected over here. Right, one device connected. So click on this, you will get the IP address. So if you don't get this IP address, then install a network analyzer application from the Play Store, and in that go to options, do LAN scan. There you get the express IP address. Copy that and paste it over here. Same IP address just. So now we can see the visuals from this ESP32 camera. So there we can control this forward. When you click on hold, it will go the forward option, backward, left and right. So for arm movement also up. So when you tap that, it will do the up operation. So open, and for closing we can do any wire cut operations. Right. So we can use a 2 mm thickness of wire. We can see the visuals in your camera also. Right. So let us see the demonstration on the floor. So right. It has a headlight operation also. I forgot to show you that. So it's a headlight. Right.